Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change oil in a Toyota Corolla. First, gather your essential tools: a 14mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need about 4.4 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil and a new oil filter. Always prioritize safety by using sturdy jack stands to support your vehicle before working underneath it. This ensures a secure and stable environment for your oil change. Once your car is safely elevated, locate the oil drain plug, typically a 14mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it to catch the used oil. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old engine oil to completely drain out into the pan. This usually takes several minutes, so be patient. After the old oil has drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Next, use your oil filter wrench to remove the old oil filter. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then pour the 4.4 quarts of new engine oil into the oil fill cap. With the new oil added, replace the oil fill cap and lower your car. Start the engine and let it run for a minute, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Finally, inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.